Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the card is active and you know the 4-digit PIN. This avoids lockouts. Once ready, line up the chip or stripe with the ATM slot and insert or tap as indicated. You should see a welcome screen. Make sure to shield the keypad while typing. This prevents shoulder surfing. Choose your language when prompted so menu labels are clear, and watch the screen for the next options. Now you're positioned to request the specific transaction you want. After language selection, you enter your 4-digit PIN. Press clear if you mistype, not cancel. Once authenticated, the ATM shows transaction types. Pick withdrawal, balance, deposit, or transfer depending on need. If withdrawing, select the account, checking, or savings. This matters for which account is debited. Enter a custom amount or pick a preset like $20 or $100. The machine may show fees, so confirm the total. Make sure to verify the amount on screen before you accept or confirm. When the ATM dispenses cash, take it and count bills while still at the machine. Once done, decide whether you need the receipt, keep it, or securely discard it. Make sure to remove your card after it ejects. Some machines hold the card until transaction completion, so don't walk away early. End the session by selecting Finish or returning to the home screen. If the ATM keeps your card or shows an error, stay calm, note the ATM ID and location, and call your bank.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.